Welcome to my channel, Ocean Expressions. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make one of these. It's a little, really simple macrame design. It's got a little stone, a turquoise stone in the center, and 4 beads and a little cowrie shell, and I just think it's so cute. It's so delicate and it's really fun to make. Creating and making things has helped me through so much, and I feel so blessed that I get to share that with you guys. If you've been enjoying these videos, please give them a like, subscribe, and click the little bell if you want to be kept up to date with new videos. Comment if you have any questions or tips, and share if you think someone else might like to make one of these. Let's get making. So for this project, we're just going to need a shell and 5 beads. I'm using turquoise for the center and then 4 smaller silver beads for the outside. I've got a ladder for finishing off. This is 0.8mm waxed polyester cord. I'll pop the link to this one in the description below. I just really like it because of the way it finishes off and burns really nicely. And I've got some scissors and a measuring tape. We're going to start by cutting 3 pieces of the cord that are 98 centimeters long. Then we're just going to get one of those pieces and fold it in half, matching the 2 ends up and getting our center. Then we're going to pop that center through the middle of the cowrie shell and put the tails through the loop. Just like that. Then we're going to get one of our other strings that we just cut and meet the tails up, folding it in half. Put that loop under one of the sides. Put the tails through the loop and just attach it, making a half hitch. And we're going to do the same on the other side, so getting our 3rd string, matching the tails up, folding it in half, popping the loop under, and popping the tails through the loop, making a half hitch on the other side, and sliding it up to the top. Then we're going to continue down, so we're going to take our outside cord, bringing it in, and then the next cord in line, popping that cord over, under and through, and again over, under, through, and the same on the other side. So we're going to go over, under, through, over, under, through. Then we're going to get our 2 middle cords and our bead. I'm using the turquoise one as a center bead, but you can use whatever bead you like. So we'll put that bead on our 2 middle cords, and then we will continue wrapping our cord that we were wrapping before with each of the middle ones. So the middle one on this side, over, under, through, and over, under, through, and on the other side, wrapping over, under, through, over, under, through. Now we're going to wrap one of our cords onto the other one to join them together at the center. Then we're going to work on one side at a time. So we'll get one of our pins and just pin up the cords from the side that we're not working on, just so we can work with the ones that we are. We'll pin our centerpiece as well, just to hold it steady, and wrapping from the top down. Wrap over, under, through, over, under, through. And then with the next cord, we're going to pop one of our other beads on. And continue wrapping the cord that we were wrapping with this cord. So, over, under, through. And over, under, through. And we're going to repeat this again, so going from the top, wrapping with the next cord. Popping one of our beads on. And continuing wrapping this cord. Cheeky bead. And then the last row we're not going to pop a bead on, so we'll just wrap going from the top. And the next cord in line, going over, under, through with each cord twice. And then from here, we're just going to do a simple braid. So we'll pull that top string to the middle, and the outside string to the middle, outside string to the middle, outside string to the middle, and we'll continue this all the way down until we finish the end of this braid. I like to use this time as a form of meditation, so focusing on the intention that we want to be putting into the piece, and consciously taking big deep breaths, and giving ourselves the space and time to relax and really be mindful, be present, be here now. Feel the cord between your fingers, and I'll meet you at the end of the string. Okay, so once we get to the end of our braid, we're just going to tie it off just with a normal knot, so crossing the string over and popping it through and just tying it once and then twice. And then we're going to repeat this whole process on the other side. So just repeat what we did here for this side, and I will meet you back here. Okay, so now we've finished both sides. We have this really pretty, simple but beautiful macrame design, and we've got our two braided ends. Now we're just going to chop a smaller piece of string. This one is 25 centimeters long. Then we're just going to place it onto the two strings, and we're going to tie it in just a normal knot. And then we're going to do a square knot all the way down to make it adjustable. So we'll do a number 4 and go over the tails, under the 2 and up and through. Pulling it reasonably tight because this is what's going to make it adjustable. Then we're going to do it on the other side, so back to front 4, over the tails, under the 2 and up and through. Then on this side again, number 4, over the tails, under the 2 and up over the tail, under the two, up and through. And we're just going to continue this until we have a long enough little adjustable tab. I think maybe one more. And I'm happy with that much. Then we're just going to snip off the tails, leaving about that much. And we're going to do the same for our ends. And we're just going to burn them to finish them off. You can add little charms onto the end for another decorative touch if you like. I don't have any at the moment, so I'm just going to finish the ends like this. And then we'll finish off our little adjustable tab. Make sure you lick your fingers before you touch it, otherwise you'll burn yourself. There we go. We have our gorgeous little simple adjustable seashell necklace. Hooray, we did it! You made your very own cute little seashell necklace. And I'm so proud of you. You learnt something new, and that's something that you can definitely be proud of. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, subscribe and click the little bell if you want to be kept up to date with new videos. Comment if you have any questions or tips, and share if you think this video could help someone else. If you have Instagram, I would absolutely love to see your creations. You can tag ocean_expressions. I can't wait to connect. Big love and happy making.